upload dataset in Google Colab. So click on this icon right here. So here if you right click, you will see option upload. Click on that and select the dataset you want to upload. Open it. So it will appear right here. This is the one way to upload dataset in Google Colab. If you upload using this method, every time you want to use a notebook, you need to upload dataset same way. There is another way. We can mount Google Drive here. So you can use this code or simply click on this icon right here. So once Google Drive get mounted, we can see here. So it appeared right here. So we can upload datasheet here using upload option. So we can see this demo CSV here. So this way if you upload, simply you need to use this path, and no need to upload again and again. So you can simply reuse this file whenever you want to use this notebook.